Welcome to our tutorial on how to cashier a parts invoice in the DealerTeam Parts app. Let's start by navigating to the Parts Invoice tab and select a record from the list. Go to the Cashier tab. Click Add to start a new cashier transaction. Select a payment method. You can type in an authorization code or check number depending on the payment method. Check the amount and click Save. To add another payment method, click Add and repeat the cashiering process. When the parts invoice is completely fulfilled and cashiered, click Invoice. This updates the status of the parts invoice to invoiced and stamps it with the invoice date and time. If the parts invoice is no longer valid, you can click the Void button. To post the invoice, click Post Invoice. The status of the parts invoice will change to posted and it will be stamped with the invoice date time. Once the invoice is posted, you can print it or save it. Click Print. The invoice will open as a PDF. You can click the Export button to download or the printer icon to print. You now know how to cashier a parts invoice. Thank you for watching.